Hey guys, this video shows you how to power off the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra 2026 using two simple methods. You can choose the one that feels easiest depending on whether your buttons are working or not. Method 1. Button combination. Classic way first. Press and hold the volume down button and the side power button at the same time. Keep holding them for a few seconds until the power menu appears on your screen. Once you see the menu, release both buttons. You will then see options like power off, restart, and emergency mode. Tap power off, then tap power off again to confirm your action. The phone will shut down completely within a few seconds. Method 2. Quick settings panel, no buttons needed. If you don't want to use physical buttons, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen using two fingers to open the quick settings panel. At the top of this panel, look for a power icon near the settings gear icon. Tap it and a menu will appear. Select power off, then confirm by tapping it once more. Your device will safely turn off. These options are part of the modern One UI experience developed by Samsung Electronics, designed to make everyday actions faster and more flexible. If your phone ever becomes unresponsive, the button method usually works best. For regular use, the quick settings option is more convenient since it avoids wearing out physical buttons over time.